I wanted to do a quick video on this Factory 5 that we've got for sale here. All the way around, it's a great running car. It's fast. It sounds awesome. There's no drivability issues whatsoever. However, the paint's not perfect. This is what we call a driver quality car. It's a daily driver. It's got like 16,000 miles on it. And the paint is unlike these other Cobras that we have that are brand new. They're flawless. This one's not. There's some scratches. There's a scratch here, a few scratches here. There's a few chips that you can find down here in front. The paint is nice and shiny all the way around, but it's not flawless. Pretty much anywhere you look, you can find some issues here and there. So just want you to be aware that it's not a flawless paint job. These things you can't see in pictures, but we want to tell you this right up front. It's what we call a 10-footer. From like 10 feet away, it looks great. You can't see any imperfections at all. But if you get up real close and start looking with the light, you can. So it's a daily driver, and it's a nice all-around car. Let me start it for you.